Welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are going to master the standard form of linear equations. This is a fundamental way to write equations for lines that you will see frequently in your math classes. This is what standard form looks like. Ax plus by equals c here, a and b are the coefficients, or the numbers in front of the variables x, and yc is the constant number on the other side of the equal sign. It is a clean, organized way to present a linear equation. There are specific rules that make this form standard. Rule number 1, a, b, and c must be integers. This means we cannot have fractions or decimals. If you see 0.5x or 1/2 y, it is not yet in proper standard form. We want whole numbers and their negatives only. Rule number 2 focuses on the first term. A, by convention, the coefficient of x must be non-negative. That means a should be greater than or equal to 0. If your equation starts with negative 3x, you will need to change it. We prefer the equation to start with a positive number. Let's check our understanding. 2x plus 5y equals 10? Yes, that is standard form because we have integers and a positive starting number. Y equals 2x plus 5? No, that is slope-intercept form. 1/2 x plus y equals 4? No, because it contains a fraction. So, how do we fix an equation that has fractions, like 1/3 x plus y equals 2? It is simple. We look at the denominator, which is 3, and multiply the entire equation by that number. 3 times 1/3 becomes 1x, 3 times y becomes 3y, and 3 times 2 becomes 6. Now we have integers. What if our equation starts with a negative number, like negative 2x plus 5y equals 7? To fix this, we simply multiply the entire equation by negative 1. This flips every sign. Negative 2 becomes positive 2, positive 5 becomes negative 5, and positive 7 becomes negative 7. Now a is positive. Why do we bother with this form? It is incredibly useful for finding intercepts quickly. To find the x-intercept, you just pretend y is 0 and solve for x to find the y-intercept. Pretend x is 0 and solve for y. It makes graphing very fast. You will often need to convert from slope-intercept form, like y equals 3x minus 4. To do this, move the x term to the left side by subtracting 3x. Then, if the x term is negative, multiply everything by negative 1. The result is 3x minus y equals 4. Watch out for these common traps. Don't leave fractions in your final answer. Always clear them out. Don't forget to make the first number positive. And finally, if all your numbers can be divided by the same number, simplify them. For example, 2x plus 4y equals 8 should be simplified to x plus 2y equals 4. Let's summarize. For proper standard form, 1. The equation must look like a x plus by equals c2. Use integers only, no fractions. 3. A must be positive. And 4. Simplify the numbers if possible so their greatest common divisor is 1. Thanks for watching. Practice converting a few equations on your own, and you will have this mastered in no time. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more algebra tutorials.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.